This is a 2011 Toyota RAV4, and while doing an oil change, I discovered that the crush washer for the oil drain pan was stuck at this location. It wouldn't come off. And I'm going to just mention that the way that I got it off was not by using a metal scraper. I got this plastic spudger, and I used maybe a 25, 28, 27 degree angle, and I just kept going like this with a reasonable amount of force and just trying to pry the edges. Eventually it will come off. Another technique is just to go like this on the inside edge and try to get it out like this. But the best way that I did it was just from the edges like this. Now, one additional trick that you can do is if you're worried about it flying away or some issue, you could put the bolt back in place if you're using the outside edge. This will prevent any contaminants from getting inside the drain pan. And again, you can just go like this to try to lift off the stuck crush washer. So hopefully this helps, and you'll get your crush washer off your drain pan as well without damaging it. Do not use metal. If you're going to use a flathead screwdriver, it's theoretically possible, but if you remove the protective paint cover here, you're going to start rusting your drain pan. That's why it's much more ideal to use a plastic spudger like this and get that washer off, because you want to replace it with every oil change.